In this world, I have a firm belief that everything you do comes back to you, both good and bad. We know the future success of our practice highly depends on turning our current clients into very happy former clients. We want our clients to be telling all their friends and family to go out and hire us if they're ever in a crash. I think everybody has had the experience of being in a used car salesman office when you can tell that the only thing that person cares about is making a sale, and not if it's in your best interest. It doesn't matter to them. We are the exact opposite. We are committed to only doing what's right for our clients and only doing what's in their best interest, no matter what. My name is Ron Zimmett Jr. I'm a personal injury attorney. It's the only thing I've ever done. It's all I do. It's the only thing I ever will do. We have a family law firm in Daytona Beach. My family's been in this community for 4 generations. We're not going anywhere. I think about my clients often. In that moment where they were just going about their day, all of a sudden there's a crash, their car's wrecked, they have an intense amount of pain, their ambulances, sirens, police officers are asking questions, and what they don't realize is they have just been thrust into an insurance situation where adjusters will be calling them with a checklist of questions that are specifically designed to make sure they don't pay them anything at all or pay them as little as possible. So what our clients need in that moment is guidance. They need guidance from a firm they can trust. They need guidance from a firm that's been doing the type of work that they're looking for a very long time. At Zimmett & Zimmett, we pride ourselves on being able to guide our clients through that field of landmines the insurance adjusters are trying to put them in.
After the vehicle accident, which I had never been in an accident before, it was suggested that I get an attorney. I did call one of the big law firms. Unfortunately, from the time that I made the call until when I met Ron at Zimmett & Zimmett, I had been passed around multiple times to 3 different attorneys within the firm. When I finally got fed up being ignored, I called Ron Zimmett. Everything changed immediately. I had direct access to Ron, and the communication was great. Before working with Zimmett & Zimmett, I felt very frustrated, lack of confidence in the attorneys that I had hired at that time. After contacting Zimmett & Zimmett, I felt like we had a plan set forward. I felt very confident in him and his law firm, and I felt he actually cared about me and my family and my well-being.
What people need right after a crash is a firm who is ready to jump into action, to go to the scene to make sure that all the extremely valuable evidence is preserved. We've had cases turn from an outright denial of liability to million-dollar cases based on the fact we were able to get out to the scene quickly and get a photograph of something as simple as a skid mark on a road. So it's extremely important to be able to find a firm that is really very ready to jump into action. We know that most of our clients have never been through anything like this before. It's always our goal to take care of our clients, to do everything we can to guide them and to get them a great result. So after we gather all the evidence and really get an understanding of our clients' goals, we set a plan and make sure they understand the plan for their case. We want them to know they are not in this alone. We're going to do this together. In the long run, we know the success of our firm is highly dependent on treating people right as human beings and getting them a great result.